Be honest for a moment. You upload videos, you put in effort, but the views stay low and subscribers barely move. You start asking yourself, is this even worth it? Am I doing something wrong? Or worse, maybe I'm not made for this. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through a real step-by-step roadmap to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. No shortcuts, no fake promises, just what actually works. Let me start with a simple story. There was a creator, we'll call him Alex. Alex started a channel with excitement. His first video got 20 views. The second one got 30. The third one dropped to 15. Days passed, weeks passed, nothing changed. Most people quit here, but Alex didn't quit. Instead, he stopped blaming the algorithm and started understanding it. That's where everything changed. Step 1. Fix your mindset first. Before strategies, before tools, before editing, you need the right mindset. Your first 50 to 100 videos are not for fame, they are not for money, they are training. The algorithm doesn't know you yet. It's watching how consistent you are, how clear your content is, and how people react. Low views don't mean failure, they mean you're still in the learning phase. Once Alex accepted this, the pressure disappeared. Step 2. Choose one clear topic. At the beginning, Alex made a big mistake. One day motivation, next day tech, then comedy, then random trends. The result? Confused viewers and a confused algorithm. So Alex made one decision, one channel, one topic. Whether it's tech, education, fitness, business, or entertainment, pick one main topic and stick to it. When you do this, the platform understands who your content is for and who to show it to. This single step alone changes everything. Step 3. Talk about problems, not yourself. Here's a hard truth. People don't care about your channel. They care about their problems. Alex stopped starting videos with, "Hey guys, welcome back." Instead, he started with, "Your videos aren't getting views because this mistake is killing your reach." Stop doing this if you want to grow. When you lead with a problem, people stay. Attention comes first, trust comes later. Step 4. Win the first 5 seconds. The first 5 seconds decide everything. If people scroll away, the video dies.